This is Ashwini. I'm working as an assistant professor of English. So far, I've completed 39 courses in NPTEL, and this is the second time I'm in IIT. My journey with NPTEL had started in the year July 2019. That was in my second MA. From then onwards, I'm continuing with the courses. Today in the morning, I had an opportunity to attend the workshop with my SPOC, all where they had this query, reaching the venue. I used to get up at 3 o'clock, pack my lunch and breakfast, and the whole day, the NPTEL exam day, it was like a picnic for me. Because of NPTEL, I've learnt, many places in and around Chennai, I can say. One thing I like about NPTEL is, of course, the content, no doubt about it, and the methodology, teaching methodology, right? So that I'm implementing in my classes as well. And most importantly, I'm from a rural background and I'm from a Tamil medium background. NPTEL has taught me language. Through NPTEL lectures, I can able to communicate well now, and I'm a professor of English now. And apart from that, it also helped me to crack net. That's important. And thank you for this opportunity. I have a request to Professor Andrew and Bharati ma'am. I've completed mostly all of the courses in my humanities. Please add more courses. Okay. And also add few multidisciplinary courses also, ma'am, for the professors. Thank you so much. Happy learning with NPTEL. Thank you.